In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use left function in Google Sheets. The left function is a simple way to pull a set number of characters from the beginning of any text string. It's perfect for trimming codes, abbreviations, or the first few letters of a name. Let's walk through it clearly so you can use it with confidence. First, click the cell where you want the extracted text to appear. Think of this as your destination cell, the place where Google Sheets will display the result of your formula. It's important to select this first so you know exactly where the output will go. Next, identify the cell that contains the full text you want to pull from. For example, let's say that cell is A2. This source cell is where the original text lives and will point the formula to it so the function knows what to work with. You can always confirm the cell address by glancing at the column letter and row number. Now decide how many characters you want to extract from the far left of that text. This number can be anything you need: 1 for the first letter, 2 for the first 2 letters, or more if you're capturing a prefix or a fixed code. Remember, spaces and punctuation count as characters, so include them in your count if they appear at the beginning. With those decisions made, type your formula in the destination cell. For example, enter x left A2 5 to extract the first 5 characters from whatever is in A2. After you press enter, Google Sheets will display exactly those first 5 characters. In this formula, A2 is your source cell, and 5 is the number of characters you want to return. If you change the second number, you change how much you pull. For instance, adjusting it to 3 returns the first 3 characters. If the text in A2 is shorter than the number you specify, left simply returns the entire text without an error. That makes it safe to use even when your data varies in length. A few quick tips to make this smoother. Make sure you start the formula with an equal sign, double check the cell reference so you're pointing at the correct source, and verify your character count if the result looks off. Once you're happy with it, you can copy the formula to other cells like any standard Google Sheets formula to repeat the extraction for additional rows. That's all you need to start using the left function effectively in Google Sheets.